Hey guys, Tony here. Wanted to update you guys real quick on some info that I just found out. Turns out that the voting count for eToro on GameStop just came in, or actually just a global amount of shareholders for GameStop. There's actually a total of 89 million shareholders globally, and there's actually only 30 million shares open float. So as of now, we can assume that that GameStop is at minimum shorted 300%, which is absolutely insane. The flow, the share flow is 30 million. The vote count came in and it's 89 million, and that doesn't really account for the rest of the of continuing votes. So it might even be higher. The max short interest that could have been shown on any broker is 140%, which kind of caps you at what you can visibly see. But as of right now, we can assume that at minimum, GameStop is shorted around 300%. Still going to be holding my shares. If I see any dips on GameStop, I will be buying. This still doesn't change my mind on AMC though. Not until there is actual data supporting the short float or the shorted float for AMC. So as of right now, still bearish on AMC. With this news though, I wouldn't be surprised if both GameStop and AMC keep running, because with GameStop share float being shorted this much, I can only assume that news is going to trail over to AMC, and that one's also going to push towards the upside. But again, I still don't think AMC's push up is going to be as much as GameStop. I'm going to stick with GameStop. I still don't think that AMC is going to run all crazy. Again, that's my own bearish sentiment on AMC, but as far as GameStop, I'm not necessarily all in, but I might actually purchase more shares now that information came out, because I do think GameStop right now is not necessarily undervalued. I actually think it's valued correctly at a market cap of like 12 million with them not really doing anything. But the fact is that this is a short squeeze play. This isn't really a fundamentals play, right? Even though I actually really like the fundamentals coming out of GameStop with the whole NFT thing, their whole e-platform stuff, the whole connection with crypto, which is absolutely insane. So I think it's great, and I'll still probably hold this long term. But again, crazy news. GameStop at minimum is shorted 300%. I'll see you guys later.